Okay, here's the echo-worthy cart in action to run the furnace, which is right there. Notice right now the furnace, it's upside down the board. That's IDL, not 7P1, so it's idle. We've got the generator switch over right here in the bottom position. That's on the line power coming from the circuit breaker. So that's from the house, normal condition. What we'll do is we're going to turn that off by putting it to the middle. Now the board is out. So we'll come over here and turn the switch on, the battery on. When that green's up, that looks ready, then we'll turn the switch on for the echo-worthy. So this is now going to be feeding from battery. Once it switches on. And we'll switch on the side, the circuit breaker for the AC feed. Notice that is not on yet. It's up. It'll tell you we got AC going out. There it goes. So now it's ready to power the furnace. So we'll go over here. Furnace is dead. We'll flip up to the generator position and bring that to life, and it's idle. And if we don't get the ground fault, like on these other solar generators, you might need the ground adapter. You don't need it on this echo-worthy cart. We'll go here to the thermostat and bump it up a degree to get a call for heat. We'll put it at 60. Thermostat clicks. With the call for heat, the inducer fan starts. And then when it's ready, we'll hit the igniter. Got our igniter. There it goes. Got some burners going blue, orange. There's the blower. Okay, the blower is going. What do we got on this panel? We're showing our 99% on the battery. All right, 24 hours. We got 42% remaining. The furnace blower running right now is running from 300 to 325 watts of usage on here. And that's the echo-worthy cart. Running the furnace successfully 24 hours and has 42% remaining.